from 4 BMMA S1/1, subject BMMA 3564 vehicle engine. Today we will discuss about emission reduction device for vehicle. We choose for this device is fuel additive and fuel pretreatment. Introduction. Research has stated that the main pollutant produced by internal combustion engine is from various chemical reactions. The chemical is such as carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon, nitric oxide, and trace amount of sulfur oxide, lead, and others. All of these pollution, such as acid rain and global warming, also asthma, cancer, and chronic disease, were caused by this automobile pollution. Starting 1 January 2000, it is required to comply with the pollutant emission standard set out in the third schedule, Environment Quality Control of Emission from Petrol Engines, Regulation 1996, based on Council Directive 94/12/EEC and 93/59/EEC. Okay, next.
For the theory of the operation, the fuel additive remove carbonaceous buildup from the combustion chamber walls, and it also decreases the combustion chamber volume. In addition, the fuel additive also mostly used for preventative maintenance by keeping deposits out of our engines. For fuel pretreatment, it comprises of a common rails catalytic reactor and a fuel atomizer converted into spiral-shaped tube designed with catalytic material. As multi-atomic system, hydrocarbon fuels can be thought as having activation energies that must be greater than their system potential energy in order for chemical reaction to take place. So, internal combustion engine and other components use emission control system to reduce the release of harmful gases.
So for the next, we have here the system and the technology of ethanol. As you can see, this is the example ethanol that used in industries. The use of ethanol as a fuel substitute for fuel derived from crude oil had grown. Fuel additives are designed to run more cleanly in your engine, meaning it will prevent your fuel from leaving behind gunk and trace deposit in your engine. It can also help clear out existing build-up. As you can see at the bottom, we have ethanol fuel deposit control additive. This is the chemical reaction of the ethanol, and the right side is how ethanol works as fuel additive. In the picture, you can see the intake valve before the treatment and intake valve after the treatment. That's all.
Okay, for advantage of the system, the first is clean our engine. It will run more cleanly in our engine. Second is save money, such as it will help our fuel cycle through our engine more completely and effectively. Next is better fuel efficiency. It will run our engine more efficiency. And the last is ease of use. It will easy for us to improve the performance and care of our car. For disadvantage of the system, the first is harmful environment. Fuel additive will comprise of several chemical. Second is long-term effect will damage our engine in a long-term use. The last is not suitable for a new car, which cause more smoke to start coming out while driving the vehicle. Next.
Okay, this is your opinion on the technology for the near future. An innovative proposal involved using the common rail system to implement a fuel pre-treatment system for self-igniting engines. The additive containing manganese compound produce the best fall in freezing point, make a linear relationship between the dosage and the reduction of freezing point at a lower dosage. Fuel containing Mn has a major viscosity of 36 subsecond universal SSU compared to the 38 SSU without additive. It is lower among the compound of the organic base metal. Manganese is the best to improve the fuel properties, as you can see on the table side. Okay, next.
So for the last, there are no secret to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. That's all from us. We hope you get a good result for this exam.
Thank you.